This video is a quick demo of a revolutionary method of collecting exam results. After opening up the QLA tool on Maths Whiteboard, select the Mark Entry Sheet method. Read through the instructions. Create a template for your paper if required, or search the existing bank of nearly 2,000 templates. We did our own in-house paper. I have found it, and so can produce the Mark Entry PDF to download. Select the furthest button in the menu for your desired paper. This will trigger the Mark Entry Sheet to download. Distribute this Mark Entry Sheet to all students. Ask them to complete the paper and highlight how many marks they got for each question. The / is if they didn't attempt a question, a useful measure compared to simply putting 0 marks. To help the system to read the input, students should cross or partially shade the provided boxes. If students enter data in multiple boxes, shade in pencil, or use a color other than black, this will cause the system to skip this reading. Take your completed data entry sheets to a photocopy. Scan and email the sheets to yourself as a PDF. This should land straight in your inbox. Next, upload the document to the QLA tool. Search for the file and upload it. After a short time of processing the information, a preview screen will appear. On this screen, you need to tell the system who each page belongs to. There we go. All of our QLA data has now been populated into a table. From this table, you can create personalized revision packs if you are a subscriber, or freely create a starter to work on the collective weakest areas from the assessment, or create a workbook of extra questions, or create a report for each student comprising of personalized revision questions. All data is removed from the site as per the privacy policy, so should you need to review the data again, you can download the information into an Excel workbook. In the rare instance that the upload of the information didn't quite work, and you later realize that you needed to amend a student's data, you can enter the information on screen.